Struggling to keep your large room warm during chilly nights? Today we're diving into the top 5 oil-filled radiator heaters that turn icy spaces into cozy havens. Stay tuned because by the end you'll know exactly which heater fits your needs, and you can grab them through links in the description. Number 5 is Dreo Quiet. Here's a bold truth. Ending up with a heater that leaves your large room unevenly warmed is totally avoidable. And that's exactly what the 1500-watt unit from Dreo, priced at US $125.99, solves when you're comparing options in the top 5 oil-filled radiator heaters for large rooms. This model stood out in my testing as one of the few that truly delivers whole room warmth without sounding like a jet engine. You'll feel relief when it silently spreads heat across the space thanks to its M-shaped fins and smart ECO mode. The safety features, tip-over, triple overheat protection, give you peace of mind. On the flip side, the size is bulky and running at full power will raise energy use. So if your room is small or budget, ultra-tight, maybe a simpler model will do. But if you value real comfort and quiet performance over shortcuts, this is the smart choice. Yes, we only recommend what's genuinely worth it. Step number 4 is PELONIS Quiet. Ever walked into a big living room and felt corner cold spots attack your comfort? That's the exact issue the 1500-watt unit from PELONIS, priced at $107.89, is designed to crush. Within seconds, you notice the upgraded M-shaped fins boosting heat dissipation by 34.6%, creating true large room coverage in our top 5 oil-filled radiator heaters for large rooms. Roundup. The silent fan-free design delivers wraparound warmth with peace of mind. Quiet enough for a bedroom or office. But it's not flawless. Full power use means higher energy draw, and if your room is modest in size, you might overinvest. Compared to another contender in the list, which offered even wider dissipation, this model trades a little ultimate breadth for value and quiet precision. If you're after serious large space comfort, smart controls, and silent warmth, this is a strong buy. And yes, we believe in recommending only what delivers. On number 3 is AirChoice 36-inch Tower. Imagine walking into your cold, vast living room and feeling immediate warmth. No freezing corners, no wasted energy. That's exactly what the AirChoice 36-inch Tower heater, priced at US $159.99, delivers. Unlike traditional oil-filled radiator heaters for large rooms, this tower uses a 1500-watt PTC ceramic panel with 60-degree oscillation to spread heat fast and evenly across the space. The 4 modes, 1000-watt, 1500-watt, ECO, fan only, give you control and energy savings. Compared to the oil-filled radiator models we reviewed, this one trades the silent radiant warmth for quicker airflow and added features like a flame effect and timer. Pros: rapid full-room coverage, stylish look, smart controls. Cons: airflow can be more noticeable than a passive heater, and if you're in a tiny room, you might be overkill. If you've got a large room and want fast, intelligent heat with flair, go for it. But if ultra-quiet long-haul warmth is your top priority, stick with a classic oil-filled radiator option. At number 2 is ETTFGUH 37-inch Tower. What if your large living room heater could double as stylish decor and deliver true whole-room comfort? Enter the ETTFGUH 37-inch Tower, priced at US $169.99. It tackles the classic large space dilemma. Every heater promises total coverage, but many leave you with cold corners. With its 1500-watt PTC element and wide 90-degree oscillation, this unit sweeps warmth across the room fast and efficiently. Compared against our other picks in the top 5 oil-filled radiator heater large room lineup, this tower gives quicker airflow and an eye-catching 3D flame effect. But note, oil-filled radiators win in whisper-quiet, steady warmth, and passive heat retention. Pros are fast heat, wide sweep, modern design, and strong safety features. Cons: airflow may be more noticeable than silent radiator heat. Premium price: if you've got a large space and want fast, stylish warmth with smart features, this is worth it. But if ultimate quiet and ultra-steady heat is your top priority, a traditional oil-filled unit may still be your safest bet. Now moving to the last one is PELONIS Champagne. Here's something most people don't realize. True warmth isn't just about heat. It's about comfort that lasts. And that's exactly what the PELONIS Champagne oil-filled radiator heater delivers. Priced at $119.99, designed for large rooms that traditional heaters struggle with, this model instantly fills your space with consistent 360-degree warmth that feels like sunlight on a winter morning. With 1,500 watt of power and adjustable thermostat settings, it adapts to your comfort level effortlessly, while the ECO mode quietly saves energy without sacrificing heat. The remote control, LED display, and whisper quiet performance make it a joy to use. Compared to the others, this one offers a sleeker design, faster heat up, and smoother control experience. Safety features like tip-over and overheat protection give real peace of mind. If you crave warmth, silence, and smart energy use, this heater truly earns its place in our top lineup. I'd pick number 1, PELONIS Champagne, as the winner. It delivers rapid full-room coverage thanks to its 1,500 watt output and special heating fins, exactly what you want from a large room oil-filled radiator heater. Its whisper quiet comes with smart ECO and timer modes and offers genuine peace of mind with safety features, making it a truly smart choice when we only review heaters that perform in real-world comfort. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 oil-filled radiator heater large room. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.